Hey guys, it's Linh. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will take you guys to a special exhibition by TeamLab in Tokyo. This exhibition includes a 60-minute show of music and light art called Art Night and an area full of interactive installation artworks called Future Park. When you get inside the venue, the first thing you'll see is the bar where you can take a seat and grab a drink. Beautiful images of a jungle with different types of animals are projected on the wall. As you go further, there will be another spectacular digital projection. This is called Story of the Time When Gods Were Everywhere. When you touch the black symbols on the screen, they evolve into the images that they represent. Besides the ability to interact and influence one another, the objects emerging from those symbols can also be influenced by people's action. The name of this installation is Connecting Block Town. Cars, trains, and airplanes run along digitally projected roads or routes which are connected by physical wooden blocks of various shapes. When you change the position of a block, the projection will change accordingly and new roads or new routes will be built. The next installation is known as Sliding Through the Fruit Field. The slope is covered with several kinds of fruits and bouncing balls. When you slide down the slope and collide with the balls, they will fly to different directions. Once they collide with the fruit will begin to grow. This installation is called Trafficking Nature, Mountains and Valleys. It's like an ecosystem that is created by you. After coloring an animal, you can scan your paintings and they will become alive and appear in the graffiti nature. You can explore this ecosystem by interacting with it and searching for your animals. The name of the last installation is A Table Where Little People Live. There are a lot of little people running around on the screen on top of a table. As we place objects on the table, the little people will interact with those objects by jumping, climbing, and so on. After checking out everything, you can go to watch the Art Night performance. When it's close to the showtime, the staffs will guide everyone to a big room. Here you will be able to immerse yourself in light art and music. Did you enjoy this exhibition? If you did, don't forget to press like and let me know what you think about it. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos about Japan and traveling in the future. I'm uploading new video every Monday. If you have a specific topic that you want me to make a video about, please fill out the form in the description box. See ya!